Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to disable voice chat from WhatsApp group. So, let's get started. First things first, open WhatsApp application on your device. If you already have a group chat, you can go directly to that group. In my case, let's create a group chat first. Once created, you may now start sending a voice message. Now, to disable the voice chat, long press the voice message, then at the top, click on trash icon. Select delete for everyone, and that's it. You successfully disabled voice chat from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.